Hey YouTube, you join me today in my Honda 250L and fitting a new header. There you go, hopefully you can see that. I managed to start the copper washer out. I just used a hammer to get it started and a screwdriver. There you go, copper washer's out, all flat compared with the new one. Again, just using my own device, going to put a bit of copper slip on both those two studs. Just for reference, there's the exhaust post. Right, she's all fitted loose, all copper slipped up. I've had to take that panel off here so I can tighten that one up. But yeah, ready to tighten up. I'm going to start from the front and work along. I'll crush that copper washer nice and evenly and give me a good seal. So you get a new one of these on the for the heat shield. So I've just measured it, so it's going to hopefully fit. I'm going to tighten it down. So what I missed out is this bit. That's like a captivated nut, you just slide over the top, so I need to do that to make it work. The next bit is possibly the most important bit. You need to clean the exhaust from all your fingertips and the water so it doesn't stain. So the all-important startup, I'm going to hope it doesn't stain. That's the exhaust paste going off. Doesn't sound any different. Definitely looks a lot different. Right, I'm pleased to report there's no slow speed stalling. Bike wise, just as it rode before, obviously looks a hell of a lot better. So yeah, that's the outro done. Cheers, thanks for watching. As of all my videos, final thoughts. I wanted to keep the rear silencer because I didn't want it when I fall off to be trapped underneath and need skin graft, so it's always good to have something between you and a hot exhaust, and also it's nice and stealthy. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, don't like, subscribe, troll, it's all good.